Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by forcing the page into book dimensions. Open File Page Setup and pick Letter or A5, then set margins for binding. Once done, change orientation if you want 2 page spreads, otherwise keep Portrait for single pages. Make sure to set default so new pages follow the same layout. Also select 2 column or pages with a gutter if your book needs a spine. These steps set the framework you'll format into actual book-style content. Now you format text and structure. Apply heading 1 to chapter titles so you can auto-generate a table of contents, and use normal for body text. Once headings are set, tweak line spacing, indents, and a readable font, a serif for body, slightly larger headings for hierarchy. Make sure to insert section breaks between chapters to control headers and footers separately, and add manual page breaks where a chapter must start on a new page. This keeps pagination predictable for print. Finish by crafting headers and footers. Alternate left/right for an authentic book feel, and add page numbers in the outer margin. Once images are placed, set text wrap and ensure 300 dpi for print. If something shifts, lock image positions. Then export as PDF using Print Save as PDF, check bleed and embed font so text and layout remain exact. If pages reflow incorrectly, verify section breaks and margins. Correcting those fixes most pagination problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.